Hey everybody, I want to show you one more command in ggplot, and that's for making labels for your charts. Here you can input a title label or change the labels on the Y or X axis. To do that, you take your plot code and you add to it using the command labs. Now you can use 1, 2, or 3 of these arguments. Let's say I want to give this chart a title. To do that, I would use the argument title equals, and then put in quotation marks what I want the title to be. Say I want it to be BTEC 400 diamond plot. I can also change the X and Y axis labels. Here in labs, if I use the argument X equals, that's going to correspond with whatever I call the X axis. Now I'm fine with calling it color, but I do like my label to start with capital letters. And the same thing for my Y-axis. I'm fine with it being labeled caret, but I'd like for it to start with capital C. Once we ensure that our parentheses are closed, we can run that code. And now we have a title, and our labels have been updated on the X and Y axis to start with capital letters. Now let's say we wanted to save this plot separate from our code. To do that, we can use this export button. We can save it as an image file, we can save it as a PDF, or we can just copy it to a clipboard if we wanted to paste it onto a web page or into a document. So these are what I think of as your final touch tools for building data visualizations in R using ggplot. Let me know if you have any questions.